Alright, hello and welcome to Clash of Code in CODINGAME, which is kind of a coding tutorial gamification site. Can I launch Clash? Apparently I was able to launch a Clash, I should have done that earlier. We had 5 players at the moment. Alright, fastest mode, you have to pass the maximum number of tests as fast as possible. Test your code, got it. Your program must switch the case of each character of a given string. What okay, Python. If s is up string, it is up is string is? What the heck? How do I upper input a string, output with lowercase, at least one character? Okay, I guess it's time to Google stuff. Yeah, we're gonna totally cheat, I'm afraid. So this is like a Stack Overflow find. Join, string join. C lower if C is upper, else C upper for C in name in S. Name. Print name? I mean S? So this gives me what? No. X equals. Okay, so this works now. Alright, totally cheating. Was that it? The clash is complete? Really, just one solution? I thought there are multiple. Okay. Yeah, Python. This guy picked Python. C++, not bad. And PHP, oh my god. Well, sure, why not? Sure, my code. Alright, I think we want to do another clash. So, shortest mode, you have to pass... What? The program must find the longest sequence of consecutive zeros in an integer number. Let's try this. Long run zeros n. Fail. Long run zeros is very well defined. What is your problem? This is Python 3. What's your problem, man? Long. Oh. Count 10. Okay. Int to string Python. I guess we just do str. S equals str s, maybe? Okay, let's just print n, so we know what the input is. Okay, so that's what we get. The longest is 4. Ah, I see. Doing stuff with strings? That's freaking boring. Alright, so let's do this. For C and sure, whatever. In strn. I don't know, fucking heck. Print C. Let's get rid of this crap. Okay, so we get this output, very good. So for if C equals 0, longest equals 0, then current count equals 0. If C equals 0, then print longest, but if C is 0, then current count equals plus equals once 1, and then but if not else if current count is larger than longest, longest equals current count, and also current count equals 0. Let's try that. Alright, success. Let's test them all. Oh, come on. Freaking heck. Okay, we gotta do this again. print C. And this part we have to get rid of for now. So what the heck is the problem here? Ah, okay, so if there's only one, okay, if it, okay, let's just do this here. If current yada yada, let's do this here as well. Just what the frick? Oh, don't print that. Alright, cool. Nice. No thanks. I don't wanna... I'm cool with that. So, freaking 5 seconds behind that guy. And I did try to cheat first. So I guess that's pretty cool. I did waste a lot of space. Whoa, sexy. Okay, I guess I get it. This is about minimizing code. Yeah, there's a fetish for that. Gotta... Whoop, really? 4 of us? That's... okay. Alright. You must find the sum of the mods... oh, come on. In a list of numbers. Sum of the mods? Okay. So, we get... M, N, or I in input split E equals what? Print M, N, E. So we get 3, 4, and then a string of I don't... again. You must find the sum of the mods of a list of numbers. Modular arithmetic. A, B, remainder of A, B. Must find the sum. We have a divisor. We have a number of values, so that's length of input. And a list of n numbers. Oh, okay, so they're separated by freaking spaces. Okay, so we have a string. Okay. So int of E. Oh no, it's already int. So E, we have to divide it E with M, I guess. Let's just go for out equals 0 and then out equals out plus E modulo M. And then we just print out. I mean, once you understand it, it might make... yeah, it seems to be making sense. No, we're done. Awesome. You have to guess what to do by observing the provided set of tests. Are you kidding me? Okay, why not? Expected TGCA. Looks like genetics. AN. Answer. So what... wait, no, we don't want answer. We want... oh yeah, DNA. Definitely makes sense. Maybe we want to just reverse it. Okay, so we want to create the opposite. So how do we loop over a string of characters again? For C in DNA. For C in DNA, let's go with if... yeah, we're gonna just go with stupid. If C equals A, O equals T. We're gonna copy all this and C to G and G to C and T to A. And at the end we put O R equals R plus O. Can we still do that? Is that the concatenate thing? So R equals nothing. And at the end we print R. Okay, this does not work. Okay, we have to... crap, we have to stringify these. Okay. I think this is a perfect case for switch programming, which I completely forgot if at all it can be done. But looks like I found out... yep. Looks like I figured it out. And I am the second, at least. Let's share, why not? Okay, so do we launch or what? Yeah, just launch. Alright, final one for this time. Reverse mode. Again, we have to guess what the output was supposed to be. Binary digits. We want N1, N2. So we expected 1. Oh no. Okay, so this is binary what is the relation here? This would be subtraction, but this would be addition, I think. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna assume that they're both the same duration. Oh, I didn't realize the input is shown here. Huh. Okay, we're gonna assume that true returns false, etc. Such things. Okay, let's change this to MN. Ah, screw it. AB. Okay. How do we access these things? Like 1? Alright, so we're gonna print something completely different, but first what we're gonna do is we're gonna loop for I in, okay, for I in len of A. I guess we go for out equals empty string. If crud. If A, I think maybe I'm using 4 wrong. Range len A. I think that might be okay. Anyways, if AI equals BI, then this is 0, else O equals 1. And then at the end, x equals x plus O. Also, these are strings. That's not gonna work, is it? Oh yeah, and print x. Oh. Nice. So are we last or what? Oh no, we're first this time. Awesome. Ranked second out of 5th, third out of 6th. Nice, nice, nice. So maybe the sound was the sound of leveling up. Nope, it wasn't. Okay, we're done here. That was fun. So remember, I started trying to cheat, but that was no fun. So instead I actually started coding. That was much better. Awesome. Alright, see you next time. Until then, ciao.